I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right tool for the image, manual editors for precision or AI services for speed. Open the file and immediately duplicate the base layer so you preserve the original while working. Next, set your zoom to a comfortable 100-200% and enable a soft brush preview. This helps you see edge pixels. Once done, choose an initial selection method, lasso for rough shapes, pen for precise paths, or quick mask if the background contrasts well with the subject. You now refine the selection into a clean mask. If you use the pen tool, convert the path to a selection and apply a layer mask. If you used quick mask, paint with black/white to tweak. Then use refine edge or select and mask, adjusting radius and smoothness to capture hair or soft edges. Make sure to feather subtly and decontaminate colors if needed. Once finished, switch between 50% and 200% zoom to spot stray pixels and paint them away on the mask for a flawless extract. You complete the task by exporting the subject with transparency and saving a layered file for later changes. Place the extracted object on multiple neutral backgrounds to check for color fringing or halos. If you see edge artifacts, slightly contract or expand the mask and use decontaminate color or a small clone/brush pass to remove fringe. Finally, apply subtle color matching and shadow to ground the object. If something still looks off, revisit the mask at high zoom and repeat minor tweaks until seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.